What you tolerate becomes your standard. You don't lose standards all at once, you lower them slowly. The risk with comfort is that it feels harmless while it gradually resets what you accept until the version of you that once pushed harder feels distant. This isn't about rejecting comfort. It's about noticing what it's shaping. Standards don't collapse overnight. They shift quietly. In the inner ledger, standards are not what you say you expect, they are what you consistently allow. Comfort is not the enemy, but unchecked comfort gradually adjusts tolerance. You skip one small habit, you justify one delay. You accept one lower effort. None of it feels serious. That's how standards drift. The nervous system prefers ease. If lower effort produces no immediate consequence, it becomes acceptable. Acceptable becomes normal. Normal becomes standard. Over time, what once felt below your capability begins to feel sufficient. This doesn't happen through dramatic failure. It happens through quiet compromise. And the most subtle part is this: you can still be busy, still productive, still engaged, but the edge softens. Standards determine identity. When you consistently meet them, self-respect grows. When you consistently lower them, self-respect weakens, even if you don't consciously notice. This is why discomfort is necessary at times. Discomfort protects standards. It reminds you what you're capable of. The inner ledger doesn't demand intensity, but it does require honesty. Ask yourself, what have I started tolerating that I once would have corrected? Where have I adjusted expectations to match convenience? This isn't about self-criticism. It's about recalibration. Raising standards doesn't mean drastic change. It means restoring alignment in small areas: one habit, one expectation, one boundary. When standards rise, behavior follows. What you tolerate becomes your standard. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.